Hello mga Kabalan Heritage, this is Giancarlo from Makatangay Realty, your property advisor. So nandito po tayo ngayon sa Magalang, Pampanga near in Clark, and we're here in Hamana Homes. So this is one of our model unit, which is Mayana Expanded Duplex. So this unit has floor area of 75 square meters and then minimum of lot area 80 square meters. So I'm gonna show you kung anong itsura ng loob ng unit. But first, I'm going to show you yung parking area nyo po. So let's proceed po. So guys, so this is your parking area. Well, it's very wide. So you can actually put sedan, Fortuner, Hilux. And now, so meron pa kayong ano dito, like small area on where you can design. If you like, gardening, yung mga plantitas dyan or plantito, you can design your own garden. So, tignan natin sa loob. Tara! Okay, so this is your living area. Ayan po. By the way, hindi po kasama yung mga furniture, pero kung gusto nyong bumili ng furniture, you can design your own. So this is your living area po, where you can relax with your family, watch movies. And let's proceed po sa dining area nyo. So as you can see, 4-seaters po siya. So this is your dining area. Alright, now let's proceed po sa expanded room. Tara! Okay, so as you can see po, napakaluwang. You can actually put queen size bed. And meron po siyang sliding door. Ayan po. So, yung expanded room na to, para sa mga, let's say, na ayaw nang umakyat and dito na lang yung room nila, ground floor. So, perfect fit po to sa kanila. Yung expanded room. And, of course, your bathroom. So, included na po lahat to. Yung sink, toilet, and shower po. And branded po to yung Ativa and HCG. Yung mga brand ng mga sink natin. So, papakita ko po sa inyo yung kitchen natin. So, ito po yung kitchen natin. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, yung ceiling, LED lights po sila. So, included na po yan. Yung mga lights sa taas. And of course, yung powder room nyo po. Dito. So, pag may mga bisita kayo, ayan. Yan po yung powder room. And of course, this is your service area po. On where you can do your laundry. Ayan, dyan. Included na rin po to yung faucet. Yeah. So, that's your service area po. By the way, yung tiles, non-slippery po siya. And let's go upstairs. By the way, just to show you, yung window no to is, siya, parang cathedral window. So, pumapasok po dyan yung natural light. So, napakaliwanag po. So, you don't have to turn on the lights. Alright. So, yung second floor, upstairs natin pala, sorry. May 3 bedrooms siya. So, this is the first bedroom. So, one window, wide window, sliding. And built-in na siya sa mga window type aircon. Ayan po. LED lights din po. Now, let's proceed po sa second room. So, as you can see, dalawa yung sliding window niya. And built-in na rin siya sa window type aircon. And of course, yung toilet and bath nyo. Ayan po. So, naka-tiles na siya. As you can see, included na rin to. And shower, toilet, and yung sink po. And of course, I'm gonna show you yung master bedroom niyo po. So, ito po yung master bedroom. Napakaluwang. Pwede nyong ilagay dito yung like queen size bed. Ayan po. And meron siyang wide window, sliding window. Ayan po. And of course, yung magugustuhan nyo to sigurado, yung balcony. Ayan. So, ito yung balcony nyo. Pwede kayong maglagay ng mga, 2 to 3 chairs dito and 1 small table. So, pwede kayong magkape dito and while you're enjoying the view with your family. So, yun po yung balcony nyo. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. So, if you like this video and if you would like to, updated to my latest video, don't forget to click on subscribe and like button. You can follow my page, Kabalan Heritage, on Facebook and also on YouTube, my YouTube channel, Kabalan Heritage po. Thank you so much po for watching and God bless. See ya!